National Geographic has this neat study called the Genographic Project. And that concludes that Homo sapiens left Africa somewhere around 50,000 years ago for the group that headed up towards Siberia, maybe a little earlier for the ones that went south and headed towards Australia. And those people that left about 50,000 years ago first went into Europe, probably competed with the Neanderthals at some point, and then they moved towards and up into Asia somewhere between 50,000 and 30,000 years ago. Sometime around 40,000 years ago, we start seeing them move into Siberia. So that's really our logical barrier, 40,000 years ago. If they didn't show up into Siberia until 40,000 years ago, it's a good guess they didn't cross the Bering Strait until sometime just after that. Now, studies at Texas A&M on DNA suggest that there were actually multiple migration periods. A&M says that we had a first wave that enters Beringia about 30,000 years ago, and those people stay for a while, and then those are the ones that mutate into that unique haplogroup D1. Then we have a second wave that enter Beringia. This probably happens about 16,500 years ago, and that population mixes with the original one, and they all quickly migrate south, all the way down into South America. Then we have a possible third and final wave at somewhere around 15,000 years ago. Those are also crossing from Siberia and entering through Beringia. These DNA studies are all very exciting, but there's a problem. It's still a young and developing field. Literally thousands of subgroups of these haplogroups are being found, and as the analysis continues, it's complicating the picture of ancient migrations.